end of it all, I'm coming back to you. Yeah.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So on today's video, I'm going to teach you guys a little bit of a trick to get those beautiful, defined, perfectly defined coily curls. Yeah. Sometimes I like my curls very defined. Sometimes I just like the frizz and I go along with the frizz, you know. I don't know, I like big hair. But there's some days that I do like making my curls a little bit more defined. So yeah, I'm going to teach you guys a little bit of a trick that I do to make my curls a little bit more defined. So the only product that I'm going to use today is Shea Moisture's Coconut and Hibiscus Curl and Style Milk. I feel like whenever I want to do a very, very defined look, I always go back to this. I always go back to this cream. One of the creams that I started out with when I was transitioning, and I still love it. And sometimes my hair gets tired of it, sometimes it doesn't, but yeah. So basically I just start out with running the cream through my hair, making sure that I get my roots, because sometimes we forget our roots and we can't be doing that. Then after I have product all distributed throughout my hair, I grab just a section of my hair on one part. It doesn't have to be really small, it could be like a section like that. Then I twirl my hair like this and clip it on the top like that. So we want this section to be sectioned out. We got this section. We take a little bit more of our milk, just like that amount, and then we run it through this section. Don't forget our ends. Get a paddle brush or a Denman brush and you brush out the section, just so your curls could all clump together. So you're combing all that product through your hair, and then you shake it out, shake it out, shake it out. Then you scrunch your hair up. And then you get another section of your hair. Split it into two. And I do the same thing. So from the root to the end, I brush out my hair like 3 times. Should be good, just to brush out the product. And as you can see what it says, and then you shake it out so it could bounce back into that curl, and then you scrunch up, girl. Then you do the same thing for every section. So compared to this side, I haven't done anything to my right side compared to my left side. You see the difference in like length and how every little curl is formed. This one is more on the loose side of your curls. So I just do the same exact thing to the other side. My hair is not fully dry, it's still a little bit wet, but as you can see, these are the results. of this little method that you can try out. This is how it's drying. It's nice and curly and defines curls, but you can diffuse your hair if you want to, obviously, if you want a little bit more volume. But these are the results, and you can separate the curls as at your liking. I haven't touched it, I haven't fluffed it out or anything. I just wanted to show you guys the results like this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Hit the little bell button to be notified when I post. But yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Always remember to love yourselves, and I will see you guys on my next one. Mwah.